Okay, so it's Thursday. I kind of messed up my dad's light the other day, so I gotta go replace it. I'm gonna head to the salvage yard and see if they got a part for it. They should. I think I saw one up there last time I went to get a bracket for my brakes. So, let's see what happens. Well, I went and tried to get that part, but they didn't have it at that spot in Durham, so I'm gonna have to go to Raleigh. But I started kind of late, so it's gonna be I'm gonna have to push that off till tomorrow. But I gotta get a doorbell, because the one I had, um, it was plastic, so over the years it kind of just cracked, and I had that sound, get stuck, and whatever. It's gonna mess something up, a wire or something, I feel like. So I'm gonna have to change that out, and I gotta get a light bulb. So I'm up here at the Lowe's. You see, I don't know if you can see that over there, but that's the Lowe's. So it's just a couple things you're gonna have to deal with. You buy a house, or get a spot. So anyway, what's going on? Hey, all right. So I'm up here at the salvage yard. The thing yesterday didn't work out because they didn't have the part over there in Durham. So I'm over here in Raleigh now, Clayton, and I'm gonna go in here, snatch this part off. Got my tools in my bag. Let's go. Evidently the trick over here is finding this thing, just finding the car. I asked the dude, I said, hey, you have an idea where the car is? He was like, you got one on 17, 99 on 17, 96 on 3, I'm like, yo, man, slow down. I can't. Moral of the story: if you're gonna ask a question, be ready for the answer. Think that fast, bro, but all's well. Whatever. Gotta get it. So, yeah, that's what we're looking at. Trying to find my part in all these. Is this it? Wow, look at that. They trying to cover up my part, dude. They trying to cover up that's the same one I need. And they got this piece of metal on my part. So let me get that off of there, that tail light. Yo, check it. This part is right here, dude. Perfect. But not only that, they got a perfect spare tire in here too. Oh, hell yeah. What the hell? I had to get a couple things out of here. Okay, well, yeah. Looks like I got everything already. I don't know what time it is, because I'm using my phone. But didn't take long at all once you find the spot. There's only 3 bolts, so it didn't take long. So that's a good thing. Now I'm gonna head home. Turn that off. I'm gonna head home, maybe pick up the babies, and I don't know. Get my dad this part. That old lady over there breaking into a car. I'm just playing. It's her own car, but anyway. So yeah, now I gotta go put this on and hook up the connection, and bing bang boom, it should work. If it doesn't, it's a different problem. So out.